Okay, so to get to forms, just go to OneView or SharePoint, anywhere where you can get to the dots up here. Click Forms. Oops. All right, so it might ask you to log in if you're not already logged into OneView, but then all you do is you can do quiz or form. If you want it as a quiz, just hit New Quiz. I think yours is called text dependent questions. And then I would just put, I think it was The Boy Who Loved Words. And then you just hit Add New. And you can pick whether you want it to be multiple choice, if you want them to write it in. This one is like a poll, but I never use that one. So I usually just do multiple choice or text based. So if you want multiple choice, just go in and type your, that's the only part that kind of stinks is you have to type in each question individually. But let me pull up your questions that you sent me and I'll show you how to make them. Okay, so if number one is what is Selig a collector of? All you do is type it right in here. And then option one, let's see, it says shells, stones, teaspoons, or words. So then just go here. It's like A, B, C, D. Shells, stones, teaspoons. You can add as many as you want in words. And then I would mark which one's the right answer so that way it can grade it for you. And once you're done with the question, you just you can put in how many points you want to. Hang on, let me move this screen. So here you can put in how many points you want. If this question's worth 5 points, and if it's like a multi-select, just hit multiple answers, and then you can check which ones are correct. And then if you have another one, just hit the Add New, hit Choice, and it'll come up again, and you just type in the same thing. That way when the kids click it, well, you'll come over here and share, and all they have to do, I make it so anyone with a link can respond. It's just kind of easier. Well, and then I realized that that didn't put their names in it, so go ahead and just hit only people in my organization can respond, because that way it'll make them log in and it'll have their name by it. But if you just copy this link and go to your teams, I would just post it like in the general or something, and then it'll look like this. So here is the one I'm using, if it'll load. So I have them type their introduction paragraph into it, and I can just hit right into the form. And it'll pop up over here. So this is what the kids will see. So the kids in my class would type in their paragraph here and hit submit, and it would come up on my end. Now on my end, if I go to, sorry, I have a bunch of windows open. This is not the most professional video. All right, so then on my end, if you go to forms, it'll show you all the forms that I have. So I have 5 responses on this one. Let's see what they did. You just hit over here and hit responses. And so here are their responses. You can view results. That's why it's good to. So I messed up and didn't put only people in my team, so they come up as respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But yeah, you can see exactly what they do, and you can see the time they took to complete it. 31 seconds. Yeah, so it works like that. And let me see, I have a multiple choice up here too. That I just exited out of. Okay, so I'm back in my forms. If you do multiple choice, like I did a vocabulary quiz and hit responses, it'll give you can view results. And so now it's by name, so I can see everything she filled in. Makes it pretty easy.